In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Calendar app for meal planning. This is a fantastic way to organize your meals and make sure you're staying on top of your grocery shopping, dietary goals, and family meals. It's simple, efficient, and easily accessible from any of your devices. First, let's head over to the Google Calendar website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google Calendar in the search bar. Once you have your results, click on the first link that appears. This will lead you directly to the Google Calendar homepage. Now, you'll need to log into your account to access the calendar. Enter your email address in the prompt provided, and once you've done that, click on the Next button. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure it's correct. Then click Next once more to gain access to your Google Calendar. With Google Calendar now open, let's create an event for your meal plan. Find and click on the Create button, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will allow us to craft an event dedicated to the meals you want to schedule. Now, when prompted, click on Event. This is the type of calendar entry you'll want to use for a more detailed setup. Next, enter the name of the meal or meals you want to plan. For instance, you might input something like family dinner or lunch prep. Giving your meals a clear and specific name will make it easier to manage and remember what you've planned as you glance through your calendar. After you've named your event, click on the chosen time to set the timing for when you want to prepare or have this meal. In the repetition settings, you initially might see Does Not Repeat. Click on this field and then select Daily if you are repeating this meal constantly, like a daily lunch. The repetition feature allows flexibility so you can adjust for weekly or monthly plans as well. But for now, let's stick to a daily plan. Now let's add some more detailed information. Click on the Add Description or a Google Drive attachment link. This is a great spot to include recipes, ingredient lists, or any notes you'll need. When you expand this area, type in or paste the relevant description, such as all the ingredients required or specific instructions you want handy for meal preparation. Once you've added all necessary information, it's time to save your event. Finally, after reviewing all the details and ensuring everything is in place, click on the Save option located at the top of the event creation page. And there you have it, your meal plan is officially marked in your Google Calendar. This ensures that meals are thoughtfully organized and you can easily track and adjust them according to your schedule. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to take control of your meal planning with Google Calendar.